Welcome to English for All. In today's AI podcast, you will learn practical English conversations for airports in America. This lesson helps you navigate your journey with much more ease and confidence. From check-in counters to boarding gates, these are real phrases you can use while traveling. Whether you are a frequent flyer or a first-time traveler, these expressions will be very useful. Let's begin. When you arrive at the airport, the first thing you usually do is check in. This is where you register for your flight and drop off any large bags you have. At the counter, you may hear questions like, "Can I see your passport, please?" The agent needs to verify your identity and documents before they can issue your boarding pass for you. Or they might ask, "Do you have any checked baggage?" This refers to the large suitcases that stay in the bottom of the plane, rather than the small bags you carry on. A simple response could be, "Yes, here is my passport." Handing over your documents quickly and clearly helps the process go much faster for both you and the friendly airline staff. Or if you have luggage, you can say, "I have one suitcase to check in." This tells the agent exactly what to expect, so they can weigh and tag your bag correctly. Next is the security checkpoint. This is where everyone must go through a screening process to ensure safety. It can be a bit overwhelming, but the staff will help you through. Airport staff may say, "Please place your bags on the belt." They want you to put your backpack or carry-on suitcase onto the conveyor belt so it can go through the scanner. Or they might say, "Remove your laptop and liquids." Usually these items need to be out of your bag and placed in a separate bin so the security team can see them. You can respond with a simple, "Okay, thank you." Acknowledging the instructions shows that you are listening and helps keep the security line moving smoothly for all the other passengers waiting. Or you can ask for clarification. "Do I need to remove my shoes?" Sometimes you do, and sometimes you do not, so it is always a smart idea to ask. These simple phrases can help you feel more confident during airport security. Being prepared with the right words reduces stress and makes the entire process feel much more manageable for you. After security, you need to find your boarding gate. This is the specific area where you will wait to get on your plane. Look at the monitors for your flight number. You can ask an employee for help. "Excuse me, where is gate A12? Most people are very helpful and will point you in the right direction, so you do not get lost. Or, if you are worried about timing, "How long does it take to walk there?" This is a great question to ask if you need to know if you have time. Another useful phrase to know is this the correct terminal for my flight?" Since some airports are huge with many buildings, double-checking your location is always a very wise idea. When boarding finally begins, airline staff will make an announcement over the loudspeaker. They will usually call passengers in groups to make sure the process stays organized and that everyone boards. They may say, "We are now boarding group 3. Check your boarding pass to see which group you are in, and wait until your number is called before joining the line." Or they might say, "Please have your boarding pass ready." This means you should have your ticket or your phone out so the agent can scan it quickly at the front. You can respond politely to the gate agent with, "Thank you." A little bit of kindness goes a long way, especially when the airport is busy and everyone is rushing around. Or you can say, "Here is my boarding pass," as you hand it over. This simple interaction is the final step before you walk down the bridge and onto your plane. During the flight, the crew will walk through the aisle. You may hear, "Would you like something to drink?" They usually have water, soda, juice, coffee, and tea for everyone. Or they might offer a meal choice, chicken or pasta. These are very common options on international flights. Think about what you would like so you can answer them very quickly. Simple responses include, "Water please," or "I'll have pasta." Being clear and direct helps the flight attendants serve everyone on the plane as quickly as possible during the busy service. After landing, you may need to ask about baggage claim. You can ask, "Where can I collect my luggage?" to find the area where the suitcases are delivered after the flight. Or you can ask, "Which carousel is for flight 220? Staff may answer, "Please follow the signs to baggage claim." Just look for the flight number on the screens provided. At immigration, officers may ask, "What is the purpose of your visit?" or "How long will you stay in the United States?" They just want to know your travel plans. Simple answers could be, "I'm here for tourism," or "I'll stay for 1 week." Practicing these answers ahead of time can help reduce your stress and make your entry much smoother. Practicing these conversations can make traveling much easier for you. Thank you for listening to English for All. Subscribe for more real-life English content and AI lessons. See you soon!